Hi everyone, my name is Abhinav Singh and I welcome you all to yet another video from our CPL Tech Talk series. In this video, we are going to talk about how, as a teacher, I can share my notebook with my fellow teachers. For example, there can be a project in your school where subject teachers are required to create cumulative notes, in a collaborative effort, and how can they share with their colleagues. So let's get started, and I'm going to do this on my laptop. Okay, so I'm going to open Chrome browser and go to office.com. I will sign in with my account. You need to sign in with your ID and password. All right. So I'm signed in, and this is the landing page I get from Office 365. The moment I log in, this is the welcome page. So I'm going to click on OneNote because that's where I create my notes and my notebooks. And you will see multiple sections like recent, pinned, my notebook, shared with me, class notebook, etc. We're going to click my notebooks. And here I have multiple notebooks. So these are all notebooks that I have created. Now, what I'm supposed to do now, if you see this, if I just hover my mouse on a particular notebook that I wish to share, I get this share icon. So let's say slowly hover the mouse and I see the share icon and I see some three dots as well where I get the share link, share option here as well. Now, in some cases, it might happen that you will see the link somewhere here. You will see those three dots on the right corner. So don't get confused. As long as you see this icon, just click on it and it should give me some options on how I wish to share this. Now, see, this is saying anyone with the link can edit. What I mean by that is that the system is saying that if you create a link going forward with this process, with this option, then anybody who has access to that link can edit that particular notebook. Now imagine you created a notebook for your fellow teachers to work together, and so it is showing up in your My Notebooks, and you have created sections for all your teachers. Let's say four teachers are going to work on a particular subject. Then you have created sections maybe for four teachers with their names so that everybody create notes and keeps in their respective sections so the data is organized in a better way. Now, in order to do that, in order for them to be able to see this notebook in their OneNote app, what you have to do, if you click on anyone on the link can edit, that means anybody with the link that you're going to create with this option will be able to edit that. And that is not a good thing. Okay. So instead of that, I click on that and I say specific people only. And then I say allow editing. If that is the option that I wish to choose, that means I wish that they can go ahead and edit. Okay, and I click on apply, and here I have to give the name of those teachers. So let's say teacher. In my organization there are teachers with demo names. For example, these teacher 1, teacher 2, and this is I can add a message, sharing notebook, for example. And here we have to be a little cheeky. Now if you click on send, then basically everybody gets an email with the link that and a notification that I have shared a notebook with them. But that's not something that we want to do because not everybody is using the email address given by the school. Okay, they generally just use the Teams app and the OneNote app for teaching. So what you could do, you could just click on copy link at the bottom here, and there you go. Now people you specify can edit. Now, what I mean by that, that now this link will be given, let's say to teacher 1 and teacher 2 on a simple WhatsApp. I can literally open now Notepad and I can paste this link, right? Or I could just open WhatsApp web on your mobile or on your laptop, I'm sorry, and I could share the link via WhatsApp, and that particular fellow teacher, teacher 1 and teacher 2, would just open the link and it will open up into the OneNote app on their mobile or laptop devices. Now, what you have to notice here is that we change the option from anyone to only specific people. That means this link, let's say teacher 1 is now to forward this link by accident to other group of teachers or students. Even in that case, when they try to open that link, if their name is not in the list of specific people that I chose, they cannot edit or they will not be having permissions to change anything in that notebook. So make sure you choose specific people rather than just blindly selecting anyone with the link and edit, because that means not only people from your school organization, anybody outside your school can also edit that page, and they may end up deleting your content that you have spent hours working on. So hence, keep it in mind that you, once you click on share, you click on specific people and just enter the name of those teachers, and then get the link, click on copy, and just you can now just close it, and that link is available, and anybody who you wish to work with, just pass on the link to them. And even if they accidentally or you accidentally pass it on to a larger group by mistake, where there were people in the group who were not supposed to have access to this notebook, it wouldn't harm because their name is not entered in the list that you mentioned, and hence they won't be able to have access. So this is how you basically create your notes, and this is how you can share notebooks with your fellow teachers and colleagues to work on collaborative projects. So hopefully this was helpful. Go ahead and use this feature. Thank you, and put your feedback in our comment section. Take care. Bye bye.